is Steve St. Croix. I'm the senior estimator at Dvorak LLC.
My name is Jacob Young. I'm a superintendent with Dvorak LLC. I've been working for Dvorak for 12 years, and I've been an electrician for almost 20.
My name's Thomas. I've been with Dvorak for just under 6 years now. I'm a service technician / foreman.
My name is Courtney Foster. I'm a project manager with Dvorak LLC, and I've worked for the company for 11 years. I had expressed, probably within my first year of working, that I enjoyed the work, I enjoyed the industry, and I wanted to do more. And they always supported me in that aspect. I went through a construction management program where they supported me in my education. And I worked my way up from administrative assistant to project assistant to assistant project manager and now project manager. And throughout the life of all of those positions, I feel that the company has always saw potential in me.
I was able to do a 4-year apprenticeship and come out with no debt to me and learn a lot along the way. Becoming an electrician isn't just going to apprenticeship and then, all right, this is the type of work I'm gonna do for the rest of my life. There's a lot of different paths you can take. And you can work with motor controls, high volt side, fire alarm, commercial, bending pipe. There's a lot of different paths you can take here. Worked with a mechanic, and I got to learn one-on-one with him throughout my apprenticeship and learn a lot of different things, tricks of the trade, how to deal with customers, and it set me up to be in the position I am today.
Good group of people, a great company. Management here is very open to ideas.
To be able to watch our guys grow and develop skills and be able to talk about those skills in classroom format and then go out in the trade and perform them and see the growth. It's very rewarding. It's different here at Dvorak. We put a lot of pride. We put a lot of effort into each one of our employees. We want to train them. We want to have them be part of the family. We don't want them to just be a number and just sort of ride along every day just making a buck. We want people to feel like they're making a difference here and be a part of something bigger.
I have done a lot of cool projects, mainly at airports. So Ronald Reagan Airport, we built a brand new terminal with Turner Construction. Working on the runway with Jet Blast right next to you is always interesting. I've worked for high security buildings, like executive buildings to the White House, where you're not allowed to share any information or pictures. Same with facilities like Fort Meade and NRL with the Navy and the Army. A lot of federal government institutes where it's very interesting to be behind the scenes and behind the security gates.
The company does do a lot of interesting and specific work. A lot of military bases. I've been down at NRL and DC, Naval Research Laboratories, Goddard, NASA base, worked where they make the landing equipment for the moon.
Short of being in the military, I feel like that's about as close as we can get to being able to get back to our country and to be able to provide infrastructure and craftsmanship and the needs that the government needs to, continue their mission.
I don't wake up in the morning and dread rolling out of bed and getting to work. I feel very appreciated at this company, all the way from presidents with Tom and Brandon and owners down to my project managers and superintendents.
This group here has been one like no other that I've seen in my 46 years. Me coming to work every day to do the estimates we do as a senior estimator, and then especially to mentor the people here. I don't need to look anywhere else.